What's going on, everybody? Today, making them smoked baked potatoes. I'm telling you, this is easy. When we do this, we do this a couple times a month. And tonight, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these smoked baked potatoes. My wife is gonna use her little fancy recipe, and she's gonna make her own sloppy joes. It's not my recipe to give to you, so I'm not giving it up. Maybe if she wants to, she'll put it in the comments. We'll check it out. So the first thing that we gotta do is we gotta sit here and we gotta stab them. There is no rhyme or reason in stabbing all these things, man. Just stab them, okay? 4 potatoes today, so let's get them stabbed. Okay, now that we've got these all stabbed, you know what we gotta do. Gotta get them gloves because we're gonna be playing with some olive oil. Can we do this second time without ripping it? Boom, we got a rip or no rip at all. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take, hey man, Walmart brand olive oil. Look, bought it today for the video. Now, get it out. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna pour a light coat on it. And the first one, you gotta get a lot of it on there, right? Because now, you got on your gloves. This is why I say wear gloves. Outside of being sanitary, we're just gonna rub these all down. All right, now that we've got all the olive oil on it, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take these bad boys and I'm gonna take off one glove. All right, so here's the key to this. One glove, handle the food. Other glove, handle all your seasonings. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with the Killer Hogs Barbecue AP, salt, pepper, garlic. Look, with all these seasonings we talk about, do your own thing. If you don't have, salt, pepper, garlic, go ahead and just make a little salt and pepper. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit it with some heavy smoke, all right? I like this on my brisket a lot, and like I said, I like to eat the skin, so I'm gonna put a light little coating of this. Once we get done with that, I'm gonna hit it. Now, I'm telling you right now, I was down in Oklahoma City last week, and I went over to Kosmos place, and I found this. It says, the best rub. And let me tell you what, I haven't found anything that if I put it on there that I don't like it. So I said tonight, we're gonna put it on there. Again, I'm putting this stuff on there because I like the skins. You do what you wanna do. Salt, pepper is all you really need. Now, if you saw my last video, I was talking about this rub right here. And let me tell you how I get this rub. Typically, I'll put some foil down right here. I'll take these and put them on a little wire rack, or anything I'm seasoning, I'll put on a wire rack. All the seasoning that falls through, I'll take it, boom, dump it in this bottle, and this is my fancy stuff. It's a little bit of a mixture of everything that I've made out there. And guys, I'm telling you right now, it's killer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these on the pit, 250, 2 hours, and about right at the 2 hour mark, we're gonna start hitting it with the old fork to make sure that it's nice and tender, and we're gonna check it. So let's go put these on the pit. Now, like I said, we're gonna leave these on there for 2 hours, and the one thing you can't do, don't open it. If you're looking, you ain't cooking. Okay, so the potatoes are done. Now what we're gonna do is just assemble it. Now, my wife did decide that she was gonna give up the recipe, okay? So I want you to see this. Nice, beautiful sloppy joes, and it's a real simple recipe. 2 pounds, we use turkey, you can use pork, beef, whatever you want. So 2 pounds, 2 cans of tomato soup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. That's it. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna ground that, drain all it out, go ahead and put the 2 cans of soup in there, put the 2 tablespoons of vinegar, put the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, get it back to a boil, throw it on a simmer, and that's it. So let's go ahead and start assembling these baked potatoes. So we're gonna take one. Now look, these little tins that I have, these things are amazing. I got them off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, but we're gonna take it real easy. I'm gonna cut it open. I didn't do that great of a job cutting that one. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna just cut it. Damn, that shit's hot. All right. So once it's all open, boom, all we're gonna do, see we got all that skin on there, we're just gonna take this little mixture, boom, look at that. And right there, so I don't eat dairy, I'm allergic to it, so boom, this is gonna be for me. But I can tell you right now, my wife, she's gonna throw cheese on it, a little sour cream, whatever you want. But again, guys, easy, baked potatoes. And the great thing about doing baked potatoes, you can put whatever you want on it. You got leftover brisket, put brisket on it. You got leftover pulled pork, put pulled pork on it. You got chicken, put chicken on it. One of the other ones we like to do a lot is we'll make taco meat and all that stuff. We'll put them on the potatoes, we'll put the lettuce, and we'll put the tomato, and we'll put all that on there and do baked potato tacos. So again, guys, I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn those notifications on, and let me know what else you want to see. Other than that, guys, I'll see you next Sunday. Y'all be good.